Hello, this is the third episode and the second lecture of Learning Python. A small recap, we talked about print function and said we can pass a text or an integer or anything, and it takes two optional parameters, separator. We can put anything that will separate between any sentence, and end that will put what you put inside here in the end of the sentence. But the default is the escape character, escape in, that's a new line. Okay, we talked about variables, and we said we can declare variables with small characters, and we can declare string variables between double quotes, double quote, and we can make widths capital variable and declare it with single quote, and we said we can make double quote statement inside single quote and the single quote inside double quote. And we mentioned that variable with small name is different from variable with capital name. We take integer, we set x equal 5, different from capital X equal 10. This is the different variables, but both carry integers. Okay, let's continue and talk about data types. We talked about string, which is just a text between two single quotes or double quotes. We talked about integer. It's an integer number. There is float. Float is a number with decimal place. Let's see, y equal 314. Let's see, y equal 3.14. let's print integer and put x and print float and show y. Let's save, run. The integer is 5 and the float with decimal number is 3.14. Okay, let's comment this print. There is another type of numbers called complex. It's a number with imaginary part and real part. it's written like 5.3 G. Let's print complex. Five plus 3G. There is another types of numbers. Binary, underscore null, start 0 b 10 10. This will give us number 10. There is octal number equal 0 O نشر. This will give us also number 10 and hex underscore num equal 0 x capital A. This will give us also number 10. Let's comment this print and print our binary and octal and hexadecimal. Binary octal number print hex number. Control save. Let's run the file. The three of them gives the same number but in different types. Let's comment all of the previous. We said we declare this variable by make the name of variable and the initial value of the variable. But there is another way if we want to declare more than one variable. Let's see if we want to declare A and B and C and make its value 1 and 2 and hello. Print A, print B, print C. Save, clear terminal, run the file. It gives us 1 and 2 and hello. So the A is declared by 1 and B 2 and C is hello. What if I remove the hello? Let's run the file again. It will give me an error, not enough value to unpack. So it should numbers of variable be equal to the variable's value. Let's comment this and see something else. What if I want to declare A and B and C to the same number? That will not give any error. let's remove comment and clear the terminal and run the file again. Sorry, it should not A and B, it should E equal B equal C equal 1. Let's save and run again. The three of them is give the value of 1. Let's see what if I print the ID for each variable, what will happen. ID is it shows the ID for each object in memory. So let's clear and type again. They both show the same numbers. That means that variable A and variable B and variable C connected to the same location in the memory. That location contains the value of 1. In order to save memory and space, the three variables refer to the same location that contain the value of 1. Okay, I will see you in next video. Thanks for your listening.